I treated a woman hurt by a shady drug trial, and together we shut it down. I was on call as a nurse at a small clinic when I first saw this homeless woman sitting in the corner of the waiting room, hunched over. She looked like she hadn't slept in days. When she came in, she told me about the strange bumps that had appeared on her skin. The bumps were all over her arms and neck, raw and blistered. She also mentioned her chest pain, which had eventually led to the heart attack that landed her in my clinic. She told me she was homeless and couldn't afford to pay the clinic for treatment. I told her not to worry and instead repay me by telling me where the bumps had come from. I had seen them before on a few other patients. I told her no one else was coming forward, but if no one told me anything, then I couldn't help everyone. She said some college kids came to her and a few others about a drug trial. They would give them $50 each to sleep in a cot in the basement on campus after taking a pill. I was astonished that the college would let any of its students do that kind of experiment. The woman was in obvious pain, curling in on herself and shaking. While I treated her, I gently asked her about the trial. Slowly, she told me where the drug trials were held on campus and agreed to talk to a detective I knew. I called him and told him everything. Then he came and asked the homeless woman some questions. My friend says they have enough evidence to get them shut down, but I hate to think of the next group that'll openly go after the homeless population.